When your Sceptre monitor has no sound or low volume, start with the physical connections. Check that your HDMI or DisplayPort cables are securely connected and support audio transmission. Examine your HDMI connector closely. Look for damaged pins or debris that could interfere with the audio signal. A quality HDMI cable with intact gold-plated connectors is essential for reliable audio transmission. Test with different devices to isolate the problem. Connect your monitor to another computer, gaming console, or media player. This helps determine if the issue is with your monitor or the source device. Next, check your Windows audio settings. Open Sound Settings and ensure your Sceptre monitor is selected as the default audio device. Verify the sample rate is set to 48 kHz for optimal compatibility. Update your graphics drivers from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Ensure HD audio drivers are enabled during installation. Many Sceptre monitor audio issues are resolved by updating these drivers and enabling the audio components. Remember, most Sceptre monitor audio problems are software and configuration issues, not hardware defects. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps resolves the majority of audio problems quickly and effectively. The first step in resolving audio issues is accessing your Sceptre monitor's on-screen display menu. This built-in interface contains all the audio configuration options you need. Once in the audio settings, check 3 critical areas. Ensure the volume is not muted or set too low. Verify the correct audio input source is selected, and confirm audio is enabled for your connection type. If basic settings don't resolve the issue, try advanced Windows solutions. The Windows Audio Service manages all audio functions and sometimes needs to be restarted to fix conflicts. Registry Cleanup can resolve conflicts between multiple audio devices. This advanced solution removes orphaned audio device entries that may interfere with proper audio routing. Cable quality is crucial for audio transmission. Always use high-quality HDMI 2.0 or newer cables, or DisplayPort cables that explicitly support audio pass-through. As a last resort, consider using an external DAC and amplifier setup. This bypasses the monitor's built-in audio processing entirely and often provides superior sound quality. Finally, check the Sceptre website for firmware updates and maintain best practices. Keep drivers updated, use quality cables, and document working configurations for future reference.